Hi, I'm Andy with Photo Basics 101, and this evening we're going to show you how to do something called painting with light. It's going to be a lot of fun. Here we go. Painting with light means illuminating a person or space or creating an image using a handheld light source. In this case, we used a couple of glow sticks in a dark location during a long exposure. During this exposure, the glow sticks left a trail of light behind them. We used these light trails to create images. Exposure times for light painting can range from several seconds to several minutes. The key to successful light painting is using a camera-mounted tripod and a dark location. For this first image, we utilized a 2-light setup. I handed my model a video LED that he held above his head while I painted lines behind him with the red glow stick during the exposure. This was an uncomplicated process that produced an eye-catching image with a lot of visual punch. The second image was a 30-second exposure, and I only used 2 lights. I had my model sit perfectly still while I illuminated him with a flashlight for the first 10 seconds. Then I turned off my flashlight and had someone come into the scene with the video LED, moving it up and down and resting it in my model's hands for a 3-second count, then continuing the motion up and away from my model. The result is a light that seems to bounce into and out of my model's hands. If it's your first time painting with light, I recommend practicing with something like glow sticks or flashlights. With enough practice, you can actually paint a picture in front of the camera. That's a wrap, folks. If you dig it, like it. If you want more, subscribe and hit that bell. I'm Andy with Photo Basics 101, reminding you to shoot what you love.